let's go ahead and try the cheapest thing first. Let's replace the plugs. As you can see, results not so good. So the next thing on the list that's cost effective to do, replace the plug wires. So we replace a full set of plug wires and we run it again. Oh no, still having the same problem. So next, it's possibly coil packs. So what we did is we replaced the left bank with the right bank to see if the problem followed to the other side of the engine, and it did. So that told me I had a coil pack that was bad, so I went ahead and replaced all 4 coil packs on that one side. Problem solved.